I'm going to start off by trying to describe some of the basics of music for someone who knows almost nothing about music at all. That might mean that it's horribly patronising to someone who does know something about music, for which I apologise. Right, okay, this is supposed to be for the six-string lyre. This is my particular, or one of my particular six-string lyres. It's not the same shape as one of the little Sutton Hoo lyres or something, but you play it the same way basically. Okay, so to start with, music. Wow, doesn't it sound nice? Yeah, it's the food of love, and it's made of beats to a large extent, particularly if you're going to go for something like the block and strum technique, which I'm probably going to talk about. So, beats. Boom, boom, boom. Usually there's 4 beats in a bar, sometimes there's 3, and sometimes there's strange numbers like 5 or 7 or 13. Let's start with 4 beats in a bar. They're evenly spaced, and musicians sometimes count the beats to make it easier to learn a new rhythm when it's written down or when they're being taught it. So we have 4 beats to the bar, they're evenly spaced, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And 3 to the bar will be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that kind of thing. Which is all very well, and some tunes only use like notes that are on the beats, which means they're played at the same time as the beat sounds. So for example, we have this going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But sometimes you have notes that are played between the beats, and when people are counting the beats, they usually use the word "and" for the notes between the beats, and the beats are still even, but you put in an "and". So there's different ways that the notes might fall between the beats, but to start off with something simple, we could have 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, and so on. Right, so for example we have this 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1. Right. So that's beats for the moment. Let's have a look at what it looks like written down.